This little calculated column tip, the formula that I'm going to share with you today, I actually didn't know I could do in SharePoint. It's been one of my favorites in Excel, and I've always taught it to my users for data cleanup. And man, was I shocked to see that it actually works in SharePoint as well. So let me go share one of my frustrations with you, and then also how we can solve this. Now, if I look at data that gets captured, if there's a big frustration I have, then it's the fact that people aren't consistent with how they capture names and things. You'll see in that little column of mine, I've got capitals, lowercase. Man, it's a disaster. And it's very difficult with a single line of text to actually, enforce what the text must look like. And they just don't follow decent rules, right? So three of the columns or three of the formulas that I use regularly in Excel is upper, lower, and proper. And that's how I change the text or the case of the words and the sentences when I do data cleanup before I import it into SharePoint. But now I can see this is going to be a winner for me. So if I go to the list settings of this list, I'm going to add a column. So remember, I've already got a title column, right? So I'm going to create another column. I'm going to call this column product. You'll see where I'm going with this in a moment. I'm going to call this product, and I'm going to make this a calculated column. And remember, upper is to change everything to uppercase. Lower, of course, is lowercase. And then proper is when everything starts with a capital. So I'm going to say equal proper brackets. I'm going to select the title field and then close the bracket again. I wanted to return it a single line of text, of course, and then I'm going to say okay. So let's see if this actually works. So what I'm going to do as well is I just want to modify this view. I just want to move that column in next to it. So remember that column of mine had a lot of crazy text in it, and I'm actually going to bring the product in as the first column, and then I'm going to just leave title for now as the second column, but I just want to show you. So I'm going to actually replace that. So look at that. For this little OCD South African biker chick, that works a lot better. So what I would then do is I would actually hide the other title column from the view, and this is the one that I would use for display purposes. But it means that it fixes up the text in the case of the text, which I think is pretty amazing. So thank you, SharePoint. I honestly didn't know you could do that. Upper, proper, and lower fixes your case on your words and on your text. And then what I would just do is I would just hide the other column. They can still add it as whatever they want, but it's going to turn it into pretty looking text. So have fun, and we'll chat soon.